Is your snoring just loud, or is it a warning sign? Obstructive sleep apnea is when your breathing stops and starts while you sleep. Watch out for morning headaches, extreme daytime tiredness, or gasping for air while you sleep. It's not just about your sleep, it's also about your heart and your lungs' health. Don't ignore the sign. Visit our website today to book a consultation with me, Dr. Shubesom, a GP with interest in sleep medicine, or Dr. Hassan, our respiratory specialist, to get an expert assessment.